Hey y'all, it's Danielle here with Olivia Lux, and today I want to talk to you about dry brushing, what it is, how to do it, and why you should do it. So Olivia Lux has come out with a 4-in-1 luxury cellulite and dry brush set. So today I want to talk to you about dry brushing. So we're going to be using the long brush, the dry brush side of it. So this brush is made with natural boar bristles, which are second to none in distributing your body's natural oils. It's also a semi-soft brush. So dry brushing is what's called a hormetic stress to your body. It is a routine that will build elastin and collagen production in your body. So you want the dry brush bristles to be a little bit rough. Not so rough that it's going to hurt you or destroy your skin. So you want a semi-soft brush, which is exactly what we have here. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because in future videos I'm going to be talking about anti-cellulite practices, specifically involving the nubby side of the long brush, in addition to the booty brush. So make sure you watch that video. And the next video I'm going to come out with is going to be the face brush video. So the face brush is really awesome in helping you with the oil cleansing method, so make sure you subscribe. So dry brushing is a practice that's been around for centuries. It is for your beauty and your wellness. It supports lymphatic drainage. What your lymphatic system is basically the unsung hero of your body. It carries the waste out of your body. So this is a full body natural detox. What it does is it works in conjunction with the cardiovascular system. Now, it basically takes blood plasma, gives it a full airport pat down, make sure that it doesn't have any waste and toxins in it, and if it does, then it takes those waste and toxins and it gets with the immune system and says, hey, I got some white blood cells, let's go, let's get this system clean. It also takes the waste out of your body through using organs such as the spleen, the liver, the tonsils. So you really want to make sure that you take care of this system because it takes care of you. How do you take care of your lymphatic system? So unlike the cardiovascular system, which uses your heart to pump blood through your body, the lymphatic system has nothing to carry lymph, which is a colorless liquid doing all of these amazing things. But it doesn't have any mechanism to move the lymph through your body other than just natural muscle movement. So it's really important to exercise. But it's also really important to stimulate the lymphatic system using massage through practices such as dry brushing, which is a daily massage. So dry brushing is a natural detox, yes, but it also provides a natural energy boost through stimulating this blood flow, through getting your body moving in the morning. It's also an amazing method for exfoliating your body. You're going to have like softer skin after the first time of using it. So a lot of people say to dry brush towards your heart. Other people say to dry brush towards your organs, which are in control of removing waste from your body, such as your liver. I'm going to show you how I personally dry brush. Just know that there's absolutely no horribly wrong way to do this. Even if you do it wrong, it's still going to provide benefits, so don't worry. So you're supposed to do this practice while you're naked, hence the bikini top. I am not naked, I am wearing shorts, so sorry about that, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So I start with my feet, and I do long brush strokes towards my heart. Now, you will see some people doing circular motions. It's whatever you like, it's whatever works best for you. I'm not like a coordinated person. So I just do these long, amazing strokes. They feel so good. You don't want to press too hard and make your skin red for you light-skinned people out there whose skin turns pink or red. Pink is okay, but you don't want to actively hurt yourself. I'm brushing pretty hard and, you know, I'm turning a little pink and that's all. But I kind of go like this on my booty, but remember we do have that booty brush. The purpose in having multiple brushes is dry brushing. You want to brush your entire body. So right here, I would be brushing my lymph nodes, you know, or, you know, like if you get sick and you get swollen, like right here on your glands, that's your lymph nodes. So you're brushing your entire body. Your lymph nodes are located under your armpits, your tonsils, right here. I don't personally want to use the same brush on my butt as I do my face. I think that's really gross, especially because this is a practice you do before you shower. So I just do these long strokes. And then I go to my arms. Now you don't want to do this practice if you're sunburned. As you can tell, I am pasty as can be, so I'm not even worried about that. But you also don't want to dry brush over open wounds. Also, be really careful over any kind of spider veins or varicose veins. I suffer from varicose veins. When I dry brush over mine, I just watch it and make sure they don't worsen at all. So you want to get your armpits. Feels amazing. Then go over to your other arm. And then you want to go to your stomach. I do these circular motions like this. And it really works to tighten that skin. When you do your boobs, I do it in the circle as well, going under my under boob. So the next is your back. Feels so good. Alright y'all, and then when I'm done with my back, I'll work on my cellulite using the nubby side of the long brush and the booty brush. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can catch those tutorials as well. In the meantime, I've linked the Olivia Lux website down below. I've also linked the Amazon storefront so you can purchase your own Olivia Lux dry brush and cellulite set so you can follow along in these tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, or you can email me at customercare@olivialux.com. So until next time, remember to share goodness with yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.